First things first, B, D, D, F, and F, G are all 3. Alright, so we're supposed to find C, D, and E, F to the nearest 10th. These lengths. Well, we have 3 different triangles, the little one, the middle, and the biggest. So drawing each triangle separately, we have this one whose base is 3, the middle one whose base is 3 plus 3, and the entire triangle whose base is 3 plus 3 plus 3, and whose height is 2.5. So finding CD and CE means finding the height of the green triangle and the blue one. We know all of these triangles are similar because they all have right angles and they all share angle G. So by the angle-angle similarity theorem, these triangles are all similar, and that, of course, means that their corresponding sides are proportional. So this altitude divided by the base, 2.5 over 9, is equal to the altitude divided by the base, CD over 6. And this altitude divided by the base must equal this altitude divided by the base, EF over 3. And that's how we'll find CD and F, by setting up these proportions and then cross-multiplying and solving for the unknown. Alright, when you solve a proportion, start with the equal sign and then cross-multiply. CD times 9 dividing both sides by 9, we'll know CD. 3 goes into 6 twice, and 3 goes into 9 3 times. 2 times 2.5 is 5, so we have 5/3. CD is equal to 5/3. And over here, start with equal sign, cross multiply. 3 times 2.5 is 7.5, and 9 times EF is 9EF. Dividing both sides by 9, EF is equal to 7.5 divided by 9. Getting rid of this decimal point by multiplying by 10 will make it 75. But if you multiply the numerator by 10, we'll also want to multiply the denominator by 10. So that this black fraction is really being multiplied by 10 over 10, which is 1. And if you multiply by 1, you don't really change the value at all. But it'll now be easier to simplify. Looks like a factor of 5 can go into everybody. So 5 goes into 75 15 times, and 5 goes into 90 18 times. And looks like 3 goes into 15 5 times, and 3 goes into 18 6 times. So EF is 5/6, and CD is 5/3. Alright, well, I hope that helped. That's how you do number 6, using similar triangles and proportions with corresponding sides.